In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a category menu in Wix. We'll walk through this together step by step, so by the end, you'll know exactly how to add a category from your site as a menu item and place it where you want in your navigation. First, log in to your Wix account. Once you're logged in, you'll usually land on your site's dashboard. On the left-hand side of the dashboard, look for the section called Setup. If you're not already there, go ahead and click it. This is where you can access most of the tools you need to manage and edit your site. Now look towards the top right of the dashboard and find the button that says Edit Site. Click that to open your site's editor. It may take a few seconds to load, especially if your site has a lot of content, so just give it a moment. Once you're inside the Wix editor, focus on the left-hand panel. This is where you'll find all the main editing tools. Look for the icon labeled Site Pages and Menu and click it. This will open a panel showing your current pages and how they appear in your site's navigation. In that panel, make sure you're on the Site Menu section, not just the list of pages. This is important because any changes you make here will affect what visitors see in your main navigation bar. At the bottom of this panel, you'll see an option that says plus Add Menu Item. Click that. A small menu will appear. Choose Link. A pop-up window will open, giving you different types of links you can add. From these options, select Page. This tells Wix you want this menu item to link to one of the existing pages or categories on your site. Next, click the drop-down field that says something like Which Page. This will show a list of all the pages and categories you have set up. Scroll through the list and choose the specific category page you want to display as a menu item. Once you've selected it, click Done to confirm. You'll now see your new category menu item appear in the list of navigation items in the panel. From here, you can drag and drop it to reorder it, placing it wherever you want in the menu. If you'd like it to be a sub-item under a main shop tab, simply drag it slightly to the right underneath that shop menu item until it nests as a sub-menu. Once it's in place, your category menu is set up and that's it.